Thank you guys for watching the Drivers Channel. We out here. Got some really cool cars here, so stick around. Let's see what we got. Super made it out here. RIP my boy's back glass. Love these though. I think this is a JZX 90. So good. Love those wheels too. E30 boys. Aired out. El Toro. Calypso Fox. I used to have one of these. It actually looked pretty much exactly like this. Mine was clean though. Not saying that this one's not, but mine was clean. Thoughts on swapping the Supra for RS3? That'd be a dub or a L. Huge 2002 fan. This thing just screams Euro. Interior's kind of clean too, even though the window's not. Also thinking about one of these for the next project. Love the body style. 4 doors is enticing. And then of course the JZ, can't go wrong. What is this, a 3 Series, 2 Series? On air? Sheesh. Aventador, this gray, on the gray asphalt, the silver wheels. Oh boy. Porsche boys. Check out the wheels. TEs with the blades. Carbon blades too, that's really sweet. Z06 in my favorite color. I think my dad used to have one of these. At first I didn't really like them, but seeing it in person, it's kind of cool. Some vents back here. The interior is pretty crazy. It's a manual, of course. Looks very spacious in there. Seats look super plush. Check the homie out though. Love the wrap. Oh my gosh, these wheels are incredible. They're so deep. Oh boy, got the upgraded brakes on there. Not usually a fan of the blade, but I mean, it works here. Boost Logic exhaust. So good, so wide. R888s. Good for you, my guy. TTRS, love this green. Never seen these wheels before. New Speed RS is what they say. Love the color. Love that they chose to bag it. Not normally a fan of like a wing like that, but that looks good. Got another one right here. RS3, might be my next pickup. Another RS3. The gold on green is actually really clean. Got the bride seat in there, all the gauges. Purple R8. The green brakes in there, those are sweet. I bought this Mustang, somebody parked really close, but love it. Huracan, always a favorite. Love the wing on there. Black wheels, green calipers as well. Carbon wing. Oh, that R8 is twin turbo too. With the matching plate. See the turbos hanging out in there? Yeah. Love the wingless look. Laid out. Orange seats. Crazy. So good. Look at the fitment on there. My boy nailed it. Fitment is wild. Always been a fan of these wheels. ITBs, got the ducting in there. I bet this thing is spicy. The headers down in there. That's a cool build right there. It's pretty sweet. It's a good red right there. Be a good wrap color for the Supra. TEs, of course. These cars really don't need much on the exterior. Lower it, some good wheels, you're chilling. Look at this, like, just art. With the cage in there, so good. That's cool, man.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see in there. Carbon mirrors, whole thing. Sweet. M4, M-Tray, Comp. I like the polished wheels on here. I don't know too much about trucks. I think this is a C10. Crazy drag tire on the back. Why? Because my boy ain't playing. This is the homie's car. I never see this guy at the events. I always just see his car. Gap cam ready on there. Parachute. He was just on the dyno the other day. Don't know what he made. Exhaust is huge. Carbon splitter down there. Red accents. Good. Boy's got the Porsche mug in there. Excuse me, excuse me. So good. It's clean too. Precision forged wheels, it looks like. Carbon everywhere. I like the gray on the blue. Yeah, it's cool. Got the skinnies on the front, you have to. Matching cage, huge tack, brings me back. Sweet. Love that it's a notch. This thing is sweet. LS in there. Pro charge, which is actually really crazy. But still waiting on the price to come down on these a little bit. I'd love to pull the trigger on one. Huge fan of these before the song. That's so cool to see. And then the homie right here. People leaving their trash everywhere. This guy Ardo is perfect. Realistic goals right here. This needs to be on my vision board. Yeah, you gotta have that front bumper on there. That changes everything. Another one, super cool. I think this one was here last year on completely different wheels. I think this one had TEs on it last year. 600 LT. Tire is crazy. KLM race, okay, I see you. Oh, wow. I was missing all the action. So good. Interior's a little basic, but I mean, you can't even see in there.